Hi everyone, welcome to Deep Pocket Funds. So we are going to just quickly talk about how the market is going to behave in the coming weeks and I'll quickly share my view. Overall मेरा view bearish है. अगर आप मुझे Telegram पे follow कर रहे हो तो you must be knowing that मेरा target है 2374 and 23074 in the coming days and most probably by the end of this month or before this month most probably, and after that we can see a nice up move or a sharp up move from this point because यहाँ पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा choppiness थी. At this point मैंने बोला भी था the market is going to be very tricky, be cautious, and you can see and we book few losses and it's a part of trading, so but we'll make insane money from this point because there is going to be a nice fall in coming days and a quick sharp up move after that. So we're going to cover all the losses and we'll make a good money the way we made in this fall. And whenever there was a rise we were shorting the market and we were getting good returns. Even we have predicted this bottom and we saw a nice up move और यहाँ तक भी हम लोगों ने होल्ड किया था. इवन यहाँ तक भी हम लोगों ने होल्ड किया था, यहाँ से हमने शॉर्ट भी किया था. So after this the market was very choppy and very tricky, but again we are going to see a nice price action with a smooth down and up move. So it's another opportunity to make good money. So don't worry, I'll update everything in the group. You don't have to worry for it. Moving on a lower time frame, how we have to plan a trade for this week. Then so on a 15-minute there is a equal high at this point. I've already posted it on Friday that 24,235 is a liquidity. Above this we have inefficiency and an order block over here. So we can see if there is a strength in the market and if it's opening flat, then we can see an up move hunting taking out this liquidity buy stops and tapping into this inefficiency, and then we can see a nice down move. And if there is a weakness in the market, then definitely we're going to open a little lower and continue from there. So I'm expecting either there will be a consolidation or a sideways momentum for a day or two and then a sudden sharp down move till 23070, or we can see a continuation from tomorrow only for a downside till 23070 with a gap down or a sharp down move. So there are two possibilities, so we have to wait and watch how the market is going to unfold. Either we can see a consolidation and a sharp down move or a continuation on a down move, but that consolidation also will be a bearish side only. If you have seen the videos of my masterclass, I have discussed about the low resistance and high resistance liquidity, and definitely this is a good example of a low resistance liquidity. That's why the market has moved on a higher side very easily without any resistance. But at this point there is a high resistance liquidity because institutions are supporting this down move and there is a resistance at this point. That's why market is spending a lot of time over here, but there is a liquidity. If we move on a higher side, do not try to panic or do not try to go long. Definitely you will be getting trapped. Wait for the reversal and catch that turtle soup setup. A very nice turtle soup बनेगा यहाँ पे ये liquidity के ऊपर. If you want to trade intraday, look for this turtle soup sell. And if we don't get this high, if we open lower and continue, then we'll see how we can plan intraday. About the positional trade, I'm still holding the shorts because I'm expecting before this month end we are going to make a bottom around 23,000 or even below that, and then we can look for a higher side. So वहाँ से हम लोग लॉन्ग करेंगे मार्केट को. उसके पहले हम लोग लॉन्ग में इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हूँ मैं पर्सनली, एंड वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू गो फॉर अ लॉन्ग. Even at this point I said I'm not interested or chasing this up move, and you can see within just 2 or 3 days ये पूरे 4-5 दिन का जो up move था वो बस 2 से 3 दिन में पूरा के पूरा कवर हो गया. Now this retracement I was not expecting this much. I was expecting a very shallow retracement till here and the continuation on downside, but it didn't. It just went up on a higher side to take out this liquidity and to fill this imbalance so that market can continue on a downside without facing any hurdle to come back and fill or reprice these imbalances. So this is normal, so don't worry about it. So I hope you know कि आपको क्या करना है coming week में and how you can plan your trades. Do not overboard with a huge quantity on a long side or on a short side just assuming or just seeing these videos or my advice. Always trade with a proper risk management. जितना लॉस आप देख सकते हो बर्दाश्त कर सकते हो जिससे आपका कैपिटल को ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट नहीं पड़े. ऑलवेज कीप दैट इन माइंड. ये सारे ट्रेड्स आप नहीं पकड़ पाओगे अगर आपने आज रिस्क मैनेजमेंट नहीं किया. डू नॉट ट्राई टू बी ग्रीडी. अगर आप पोजिशनल ट्रेड नहीं कर सकते, यू डोंट हैव अ बिग कैपिटल, जस्ट डू इंट्राडे. ठीक है, यहाँ से ऊपर का मिला शॉर्ट कर देना, नहीं मिला लोअर लेवल पे ओपन होकर डाउन साइड जा रहा है तो जो भी पुल बैक आएंगे उस पुल बैक पे हम लोग शॉर्ट करेंगे. सो डू नॉट एंटर इन फोमो, डू नॉट रश फॉर ट्रेड, डू नॉट रश फॉर मैसिव गेन्स एज आई सेड इन द रिसेंट वीडियो ऑफ माई मास्टर क्लास. सो just follow your risk management and stay solvent with your capital. अगर एक ही ट्रेड में बड़ा रिस्क लेके उड़ गया कैपिटल, then you will not survive in the market for long. And I hope I was very clear. And don't worry about these moves. I'm there to update it on Telegram, so you don't have to worry for it. I'll update everything. Just one request, try to share as much as you can these videos or the Telegram links so that many people can come and join, and we can make a good community of trading over there. And if you really find this video valuable, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.